Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. I am in my kitchen again with my dear friend Julie.
Hello, how are you?
Julie, would you tell us, she has a degree in, what?
My degree is in health science from the University of North Florida, and I'm a nationally certified health education specialist and a licensed wellness coach.
Oh, you go, girl.
Thank you.
So what are you going to teach me how to make that's gluten-free today?
I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate protein muffins.
Ooh, yum. So let's get started.
Okay.
I don't have oat flour, so I am going to use Quaker Oats gluten-free oats, and we are going to blend them. We are going to blend them in my handy dandy Vitamix. Gotta love a Vitamix.
I need one.
All right, from oats to flour. So I'm gonna go ahead, is it okay if I pour this in?
Yes, absolutely.
I'm gonna lower this down so I don't dump it all over the kitchen. Now we have our gluten-free oat flour in. So Julie, Julie, what do we do next?
Now we put in the rest of the ingredients, and I think we'll start with the dry ingredients first.
Sounds like a plan, let's do it.
All right, here we have 2 scoops of chocolate protein powder.
Okay.
This is whey-based, but you can also use plant-based.
Awesome.
There you go. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I really like your glass dishes.
Aw, thank you.
4 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, organic.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of chia seed, organic. And 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts. Tons of protein in there.
Yes.
All right, now I think we'll go ahead and put the pumpkin in. This is 1 can of canned pumpkin.
Okay.
How do I put it in?
We're gonna just
that
just
was
like
easy.
that.
Okay.
And we'll scoot out all that yummy pumpkinness.
1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. Can you scoop out that yogurtness?
Yes. Here, I'm gonna have to hold it.
Okay. I'm not coordinated enough to do that. You're an expert.
Yeah, right.
I watch your videos. The Ginger Optimist is an expert at this stuff. You're amazing.
Aw, you are so sweet.
I've learned so much from you. I'm so excited to be on your show today. It's such an honor.
Oh.
It's like I'm a movie star now.
I have one thing to say to you. You don't have to be a star, baby. Y'all know the rest. Go ahead.
Be in your show. Okay, 1/2 cup of honey.
All right.
And 2 eggs.
And those are organic eggs as well.
All right.
Yes.
3 bananas.
And those are extra sweet bananas that get the little freckles on the skin. So are we ready to turn it on?
Yes, turn it on.
All right, let's do it. It's flattering. We'll turn it down a little bit.
It already looks delicious. It's now time for the chocolate chips.
Dark cacao.
Yes. So the original recipe called for only 1/2 cup, but I am a tweaker of recipes. I believe in taking a recipe and making it my own, which is
What we've already done. We added the hemp hearts and I'm not sure what else we did, but yeah.
yes, you can tweak these muffin recipes and add things. So with the chocolate chips, I didn't like that 1/2 cup, so I decided we need to use the whole bag. Jan, do you know when you go to a restaurant and you get those chocolate lava cakes for dessert and you bite into them and there's chocolate like melted in your mouth? Okay, so you can judge me if you will, but if we put all those chocolate chips in this batch of muffin mix, yes, the whole bag, what's gonna happen is we can freeze these muffins, and you take one out of the freezer, you put it in the microwave for 45 seconds, the chocolate chips will melt throughout, and it tastes like one of those lava cakes, and I just feel like I'm sinning, but I'm not.
So sinfully delicious, is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Now I mix it together?
Yes, you mix it together. Just give it a couple stirs until you see the chocolate chips are evenly distributed. And that looks good.
Ooh, yum. I just like stirring.
Okay, stop stirring. All right, so now we are going to put the batter in the muffin tins. And I like to use foil muffin tins because it just peels off really easily when you take it out of the freezer and you peel that foil muffin tin off to put it in the microwave, because you can't put foil in the microwave. So we're going to put the batter in the muffin cups using a measuring cup. All right, now when I'm at home doing this, I'm messy and I spill. And Jan, you already showed me that I could do it like this instead of with a spoon. So I can already see that I'm gonna take some tips home and get better at what I'm doing.
Here we go. Now we're gonna put them in the oven that has preheated to 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Then we will come back for a taste test.
All right.
Oh my goodness, look at all that chocolatey goodness. It is so good.
It is amazing.
Julie, this is gonna become one of my favorite recipes, I think. Thank you so much for sharing this. I know, I can't wait to eat the rest of it. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.